Hey, Robert Keefer here with Hydro Hero, and today we are reviewing drain tile corrugated pipe. Is this the best stuff that's out there? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so we're back, and again, like I said, we are going to talk about drain tile. All right, this is a corrugated drain tile pipe. This is used in a French drain system. This is a 4-slot drain pipe made by ADS, and that's what this green mark is here. That's their trademark. But I'm not sure if you guys can even see this, they have little slots that are cut all the way around here to let the water in. Now when this is all the way around, sometimes they're just at the bottom, and you always want to make sure that the pipe is installed at the bottom, because what happens is the water comes and it flows up into the pipe, and then this is put on a slope, taken to a sub pump, and once it goes to the sub pump, then the sub pump pumps it out of your crawl space. So this is what we've been using for a long time. This is good stuff. But is there anything better out there? We're gonna have to talk about that. So this is the new stuff that we got. Now if you can compare the holes in here, this is 4 and this is 8, and they're much wider, as you can see. Not even sure if on camera you can even see the perforations in this pipe versus the perforations in this pipe. I mean, look at that. You can see all the way through, all the way around. This has the maximum amount of flow or water inlet that you can get into this pipe. So we have switched from this ADS 4-inch perforated pipe to this really good virgin resin 8-slot pipe to maximize the water flow and to make sure that things can't get clogged. So again, we always wrap ours with a DOT approved fabric, our drain systems or our French drains, and then we put this pipe in, and then we put the aggregate around it, and then we stitch it. And we learned all that from the French Drain Man. If you haven't seen his YouTube channel, please go check that out. Again, that's the French Drain Man. And Robert Sherwood and his team really have kind of changed the whole drainage game. They've been dropping knowledge that is crazy. So if you guys are do-it-yourselfers or even contractors, on top of subscribing and watching our channel, I encourage you to go over to the French Drain Man and learn about yard drainage and many other things that he's doing that is really cool over there. But this is the 8-slot corrugated pipe. This stuff, again, is so much better in the amount of water that it can take and its durability than this ADS pipe. Nothing against the ADS pipe, good stuff. We've been using it forever. This stuff is super good. That's all that I have for now. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.